Hey everybody, and welcome to this video on entering images into a Notability file. So let's go ahead and open up Notability. I'm already inside of a note, and there are a couple of ways to add an image. In the upper right hand corner, right next to the wrench, is this little plus sign, and you've got a whole lot of options. You can, for instance, take a photo, and here's a photo of me recording this video. Whoa, a video of a video of a video. You can add a photo from your library as well. So I've got all this math stuff, I've got some number lines and graphs and other images, or from your camera roll, maybe you want to insert a video of the New York City subway system. And when you click on it, your photo goes right into the Notability file. Now, if you click on any one of the four corners with those blue circles, you can resize the image. And if you just click on the image and drag it around, you can change where it ends up getting dropped on the file. You still have some other options. You can, of course, delete it. You can copy this image. You can cut the image. Disabling text wrap means that when you type text around it, maybe the text will go on either side of it or just below it. I don't use that too much. But I do want to talk about the edit feature. So I'm going to click on edit and show you that you've got some options for what to do to this image before you insert it into your file. The one that I use the most is cropping. And this symbol up here on the upper left, that will allow you to crop the image. Now you can click on any one of these blue circles and drag it, and you can crop the image. So suppose I just want to look at the area in Manhattan above 42nd Street. So I can crop my image as such. And in the upper right, I click Done, and now that's the image I've got. And so I can drag it wherever I want, and the moment I press anywhere off the image, now the image is stuck. You can see that it's no longer selected, and it's there. If you want to edit the image some more, or move it, or resize it, the way to go about doing it is to actually put yourself on the text tool up here. We're going to talk about the text tool later. And if you're on the text tool and you press on your image, it will be selected again and allow you to edit it. On the bottom of the text, you see a little text that says add a caption. So if you just click there where it says add a caption, you can add a caption. So I might say NYC subway system. Press enter. I guess that takes me to a new line. So when you're done, you just click anywhere that's not on the image, and there, you've got a caption that will stay with it when you move it or resize it. So that's how you put a caption on that image. There's one other type of image that you can put in there as well, which is a web clip, which you may have seen in the upper right-hand corner, web clip. And a web clip will take you to the internet, and you may navigate to any web page you like. So I'm going to go to New York Times. And I don't want to see that ad. And when you're on the web page that you would like, and now note, when you click done in the upper right hand corner, it's going to just take a snapshot of whatever you can see on the screen. Below the place where you put in the URL. So you want to make sure you don't have any ads and stuff there. So suppose I just want to go to right there, and I'm going to click done, and now I've got that exact image inside of my Notability file, and I can move it around and resize like before. If you'd like to go back to the browser and maybe pick a different image, you can click on this browser button, and it will take you right back. And you can find another image or find a better one, what have you, but that's the other way to insert an image into your Notability file.